You'll love these home hacks. Don't hang up the tea towel like this. Now it's child-proof. Blocked drain? Try this remedy using warm water, dishwashing liquid, baking soda, and vinegar. Clear again. Lid on too tight? Pry it up with a tablespoon. Easy. What a mess! First, use a spoon to keep the stain from spreading. A little warm water will be enough to remove the stain completely. As good as new. Use a latex glove to get rid of hair and lint. A simple but very effective hack. With the help of a safety pin, take accurate measurements quickly. Handy! Here's a DIY hack. Very handy. This hack will revolutionize your cooking. No splashes. Makeup stains? Pour micellar water onto the collar and scrub. The makeup will dissolve away under the running water. Snow White again.